Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn another topic from general knowledge, and that is sounds of animals. Children, like human beings, animals also make sound. They cannot talk like us, but they make different sounds to communicate with each other. You all want to know what sounds does animals make? Okay, then let's see them one by one. Children, this is a cow. A cow moves. A cow moves. Now let's see how does a cow moves. Okay. Now this is a horse. This is a horse. Children, a horse neighs. Now let's see how does a horse neighs. Children, this is a cat. A cat mews. Now let's see how does a cat mew. Okay. This is a duck. A duck quacks. Now let's see how does a duck quack. Okay, children. This is a cock. A cock crows. Now let's see how does a cock crows. Okay. Children, this is an elephant. An elephant trumpets. Now let's see how does an elephant trumpets. Okay. This is a lion. A lion roars. Now let's see how does a lion roars. Okay. This is a goat. A goat bleats. Now let's see how does a goat bleats. This is a dog. A dog barks. Now let's see how does a dog barks. Okay. This is a donkey. A donkey brays. Now let's see how does a donkey brays. Okay. This is a monkey. A monkey woofs. Now let's see how does a monkey woofs. Okay. This is a frog. A frog croaks. Now let's see how does a frog croaks. Okay. This is a sparrow. A sparrow chirps. Now let's see how does a sparrow chirps. Okay. This is a crow. A crow cows. Now let's see how does a crow cows. Okay, children. Now, children, we have seen different sounds of different animals. Now, let's sing a song. Okay, you all will sing along with the teacher, right? Okay, the song is Old MacDonald. So, shall we start? Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow bow here and a bow bow there. Here a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow bow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here a oink, there a oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a nee-nee here and a nee-nee there. Here a knee, there a knee, everywhere a knee. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here and a chick chick there. Here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Okay, children, enjoyed the song? Okay, now children, it's activity time. Today we are going to do a quiz activity. What you are going to do is, teacher is going to play some sounds of animals. You have to listen carefully and identify the animal. Okay, are you ready for the quiz? Okay. Now tell me, children, identify the sound and tell me it is the sound of which animal. Think, think, think. Okay. Dog? No. Cow? Yes, it is the sound of the cow. Okay. Now, let's see the sound of another animal. Listen carefully, children. Tell me, which animal sound is this? Think, 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 think. Duck? No. Horse? Yes, horse. Okay, now let's listen to the next sound. Tell me, which animal sound is this? Think, think. Chick? No. Cat? Yes, it is the sound of the cat. Now, let's see the next one. Tell me, which animal sound is this? Frog? No. Duck? Yes, it is the sound of the duck. Now, let's see the next sound. Now tell me, which animal? Crow? No. Cock? Yes, it is the sound of the cock. Now let's see the next one. Tell me children, it is the sound of which animal? Tell me fast. Horse? No. Elephant? Yes, it is the sound of an elephant. Okay. Now, let's see the next one. Tell me, it is the sound of which animal? Think. Is it a sparrow? No. Is it a lion? Yes, it is a lion. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Okay, tell me which animal? Tell me fast. Is it a cat? No. Is it a goat? Yes, it is a goat. Now, let's see the next sound. Okay, tell me now which animal it is. Is it a pig? No. Is it a dog? Yes, it is a dog. Okay, children, enjoyed the game? Okay. Now children, we are going to do question and answers. You all have to repeat after the teacher. Okay. The first question is, what sound does a cat make? And the answer is, a cat mews. A cat mews. The second question is, what sound does a monkey make? And the answer is, a monkey whoops. A monkey whoops. Next question is, what sound does a dog make? Answer is, a dog barks. A dog barks. Next question is, what sound does a cow make? And the answer is, a cow moos. A cow moos. Next question is, what sound does a cock make? And the answer is, a cock crows. A cock crows. Next question, what sound does a goat make? Answer is, a goat bleats. A goat bleats. Next question, what sound does a lion make? And the answer is, a lion roars. A lion roars. Next question, what sound does a donkey make? And the answer is, a donkey brays. A donkey brays. Next question, what sound does a crow make? And the answer is a crow cows. A crow cows. Next question. What sound does a sparrow make? And the answer is a sparrow chirps. A sparrow chirps. Next question. What sound does a frog make? And the answer is a frog croaks. A frog croaks. Next question. What sound does an elephant make? And the answer is an elephant trumpets. An elephant trumpets. Next question. What sound does a duck make? And the answer is a duck quacks. A duck quacks. Next question. What sound does a horse make? And the answer is a horse neighs. A horse neighs. Okay. Children, you all have to learn these question answers at home. Okay. So today we have learned sounds of animals. Okay. We'll meet in another session. Thank you.